Ishika, we do understand you are at the ITO at the moment, and Parvesh Verma is expected to do a special puja at the ITO's Yamuna Ghat. Has he reached there already?
Well, Kitty, yes, Parvesh Verma has already reached at the ITO Yamuna Ghat. We'll first, in fact, try to show you the visuals here. This is, in fact, the D-Day, as we say, regarding the voting. And we'd like to show you the visuals that we directly bring you from the ITO's Yamuna Ghat. You can see, in fact, that how Parvesh Verma is, in fact, doing the special puja at the very ghat. Now, why ITO Yamuna Ghat? Well, we have seen as to how, this entire issue of Yamuna politics was highlighted, especially, during the last few days of the election campaigning. And certainly it was Parvesh Verma, the candidate of the BJP from the New Delhi constituency, who was at the forefront of it. In fact, we have seen here how, he currently is saying that today he is taking a sankalp to change the New Delhi constituency, to clean the Yamuna, and that is why he has come here. So, well, certainly we can say that it is, in fact, a last bid to woo the voters here, last bid especially to woo the Purvanchali voters here. And also, when we talk about the Yamuna politics, it has been, quite, a campaigning by both the parties, that is the BJP and the Congress, against Arvind Kejriwal when it comes to Yamuna. We have seen in the last few days how Parvesh Verma had come here, he had taken us on a boat ride, and how he had, dipped the cutout of Arvind Kejriwal in this very polluted Yamuna. So currently he's performing this puja here, and we'd like to show you once, the visuals of Yamuna as well as Delhi goes into polling. So you can see right here that this dirty Yamuna is what these candidates, these leaders are pledging to clean if they come to power. So certainly we can say that on the very D-Day, this is one last appeal from the side of the BJP candidate, BJP leader Parvesh Verma, to woo the voters, especially on the issue of Yamuna cleaning. Over to you.